Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. I came up on the roof here to hopefully catch the Navy Blue Angels and the Air Force Thunderbirds here today doing their flyover. Thanking all the first responders. We're looking north towards Washington, D.C. and they should be here shortly. We've got about 5 more minutes. They said around 11:55. There they are. Got the Blue Angels on the right, Thunderbirds on the left. Smoke on.
Oh man.
That is great. They're making their turn. See if I can catch them over here. Blue Angels got their smoke on. Thunderbirds behind them. There's a chase plane behind that. And they are out of sight. That was pretty cool. Thank you, Air Force, Thunderbirds, and Navy Blue Angels. Traveler out.